Ronin 4D has opened a new era for filmmaking, but we never stopped exploring the freedom of creativity. Now, it continues to deliver exciting new possibilities, providing filmmakers with a more flexible and efficient camera movement system. Introducing Ronin 4D Flex, a novel, extendable solution designed to liberate cinematography. Switching between the Flex and integrated configurations on set is fast and easy, with no tools or time-consuming setups required. Flex reduces the handheld weight down to 1.8 kg, just 34% of the original 4D weight, making it exceptionally useful for extended shooting. The 2-meter extension cable supports lossless transmission of up to 8K high-speed signals and control and monitoring signals, enabling up, down, and pan camera movements when used with different gear. Flex also enables greater versatility of camera positions, allowing effortless operation in extremely narrow spaces. Even in car interiors, complicated camera movements can be achieved, expanding your creative possibilities. With a minimum gimbal height of 17 centimeters, Flex can go under cars, close to the ground, to capture specialized angles. Flex also lets the X9 work as a compact, cinema-grade remote head, and with DJI master wheels and 3-channel follow focus, get precision gimbal and focus control on par with Ronin 2. Ronin 4D Flex is natively compatible with the 4D hand grips and main monitor for full control over the main body. This enables quick switches to sport mode or manual focus adjustments with the LiDAR waveform. It also natively supports electronic zoom control of the new DL1728 lens for an efficient solo shooting experience. The connector module is designed for versatile mounting options, such as extension rods, so Flex can function as a small jib. This allows Flex to capture unique shots and go far beyond traditional camera movement limitations. For fixed camera positions, Flex can mount the standard pan-axis quick lock to carry professional cinema lenses like zoom and anamorphic, pushing the limits of the X9's payload capacity and supporting a wider lens selection. With its innovative design and limitless applications, Ronin 4D Flex is built to liberate cinematography.